Hey guys, this is Priyanshu and you are watching Unboxing Theatre. So in today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the Visuo xs809hw drone with first impression, design, build quality and first flight. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Also, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Here's our Visuo xs809hw drone. Let us open the box and have a first look over. This drone comes with two variants, the 0.3 megapixel camera with 480p resolutions which is priced at $38 or 2546 Indian rupees, and the 720p resolutions with 2 megapixel camera which is priced at $42 or 2814 Indian rupees. You can buy it from Banggood. You will get the best filing in the description below. So let us open the box and have a look over the quadcopter. After opening the cover, we get our fully secured Visuo xs809hw quadcopter with foldable arm. It has the Visuo branding over the quadcopter and a 0.3 megapixel with 480p resolutions camera. So let us keep aside the drone and let's move on to the box. What else we can get? This is the controller for the drone itself, and here is the mobile holder where you can attach your mobile and shoot videos and watch it live. Let us see what's more we can get out of this box. Here's some propellers, propeller guards, charging cable and a screw. So let's keep the box aside, and here's the manual. Let us open the packet. Here's some propellers if you damage the propellers that come with the quadcopter. Here's the screwdriver by which you can open the drone and disassemble them. This is the charger through which you can charge your quadcopter. These are the propeller guards which I will recommend to those people who are new flying this drone. This is the user manual. If you are a new user, you can read this, how to use the controller and how to fly this drone outside. So now let us know about the features and specifications of this quadcopter, then we will be doing the flight test. If you say about its design, it has mavic-alike design with foldable arms. It also has LED lights on the four legs of the quadcopter which looks very beautiful during night time. It has 900 mAh battery which is loaded from the bottom end of the quadcopter, which can give you a flight time of 10 minutes. It also has a SD card slot at the bottom end of the quadcopter for filming videos. Now saying about the remote controller, it has altitude hold with barometric air pressure sensor, dedicated buttons for landing and takeoff, emergency stop button, headless flight mode, multiple control modes, 0.3 megapixel 480p HD camera for aerial filming, Wi-Fi real-time image transmission through mobile or the controller, and also 360-degree rotation. Now the question arises, should you buy this drone or not? In my opinion, if you want to have a flying experience with quadcopters, then the Visuo xs809hw is the best basic quadcopter at this price range. Now if you want this quadcopter for filming purposes, then this is not for you. You can go with the professional mavic drones, so it depends upon your choice. So if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Comment down below about your choice. Thanks for watching. We will be back in the next one.